Imagine this. You have just $100 today. Not much, right? It could be gone in a single dinner or a quick shopping trip. But here's the truth. That same $100, if invested smartly, could turn into thousands, even millions. Not by luck, not by gambling, but through one powerful force, compounding. Today, let's dive deep into the power of compounding, and I promise, by the end of this session, you'll never look at money the same way again. Section 1. What is compounding? So, what exactly is compounding? In simple words, compounding means your money makes money, and then that money also makes money. Think of it like planting a tree. You start with one seed. It grows into a tree. The tree gives you fruits, and inside those fruits are more seeds. Plant those seeds, and soon, you don't just have one tree, you have a whole forest. That is compounding. Albert Einstein once called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. He said, "Those who understand it, earn it. Those who don't, pay it." And he was absolutely right. Section 2. The Rule of 72. Now, let's make this practical. There's a simple formula called the Rule of 72. Here's how it works. Take the number 72, divide it by the annual rate of return, and the answer tells you how many years it will take for your money to double. Example 1. If your money grows at 12% per year, 72 divided by 12 equals 6. That means your money will double in 6 years. So $1,000 today becomes $2,000 in 6 years, $4,000 in 12 years, $8,000 in 18 years, and so on. Example 2. If your money grows at 8% per year, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. So your money will double every 9 years. And here's where it gets exciting. If you start at age 25 and invest $1,000 at 12% return, by the time you're 55, just that $1,000 could grow to over $32,000, not by adding more money, but just by letting compounding work. That's why time is your biggest weapon. The earlier you start, the more cycles of doubling you get. Section 3. Rule of 114 and 144. Now you may ask, okay, doubling is great, but what about tripling or quadrupling my money? That's where 2 more rules come in. The rule of 114 and the rule of 144. Rule of 114 tells you how long it takes to triple your money. Just divide 114 by your return rate. So at 12% return, 114 divided by 12 equals 9.5. Meaning, your money triples in about 9.5 years. Rule of 144 tells you how long it takes to quadruple your money. At 12%, 144 divided by 12 equals 12, so your money becomes 4x in just 12 years. These rules are not just theory, they're shortcuts to understand the real magic of compounding. And once you know them, you'll never ignore the value of starting early. Section 4. Real-life examples. Let's take a real-life example. Imagine 2 friends, Jack and Ryan. Jack starts investing at age 25, just $200 every month, and stops at age 35. That's only 10 years of investing. $24,000 total. Ryan waits until age 35, and then starts investing $200 every month, and continues till 65. That's 30 years of investing. $72,000 total. Now guess what happens? At age 65, Jack, who invested less money, but started earlier, actually ends up with more wealth than Ryan. Why? Because Jack gave compounding more time. And time is the most powerful factor in building wealth. This is why financial experts keep saying, start early, even if it's small, Start now. Section 5. Patience versus greed. Now here's the hard truth. Most people never become rich from compounding. Why? Because they get impatient. They invest for a year or two, and then they quit, thinking it doesn't work. But compounding is like watching grass grow. In the beginning, it looks boring, slow, almost invisible. But with time, it becomes explosive. The secret is simple. Don't interrupt compounding. Don't chase quick money. Don't withdraw too soon. Stay consistent and stay patient. So, what's the takeaway? Compounding is not magic. It's mathematics. It's available to everyone. But it only works if you start early and stay invested. Whether it's stocks, index funds, or retirement accounts, don't underestimate small beginnings, because small amounts, with time, become unimaginable wealth. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. So take action, plant your seed, and let compounding build your financial forest. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Dollar Vest. Here, you'll get powerful insights on investing, compounding, and building real wealth for your future.